You know, the UK may have said it wasn't going to have a substantial effect on competition. There is a difference between how the EU and the US looks at mergers and antitrust analysis. Europeans generally look at the harm to competition and to competitors and use that as their benchmark, where here in the US we look at the harm to consumers. And I think that's what's really the difference here in this case, because if you look at it from a consumer perspective, you could see how there might be some issues with how if certain systems or certain even technologies are implemented that Ticketmaster and others have already developed. There could be some ways that there could be less options for consumers to transfer their tickets in the secondary market. And the question there is then, well, what can we do about it? How should that be preserved? Do we really want, what's the role for government in that kind of situation? I work at an organization that is not just ticket focused, but we focus on a lot of internet related issues, and we're generally kind of coming from a very cyber libertarian perspective online. That's still very strong. It was the root of the internet and commerce and computer geeks everywhere for many years. And it's very rare that you would actually hear a lot of, someone from my organization or others actually call for intrusive government regulation. But in instances of mergers where there's this opportunity to actually assess and try to figure out, well,